Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Deleted an important messenger conversation and think it's gone forever? Today I'll show you how to recover archived and even deleted messenger messages. Step 1. Open Messenger. Open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Menu. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. This will open additional options. Step 3. Open Archive. Tap on Archive to view hidden conversations. These are chats removed from your main inbox. Step 4. Find conversation. Scroll through the archived chats carefully. Look for the conversation you want to recover. Step 5. Unarchive chat. Swipe left on the chat and tap Unarchive. This will move it back to your inbox instantly. Don't forget to subscribe before we move on. Get instant access to smart, time-saving tech tutorials. Step 6. Open Facebook website. If not found, open a browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if required. Step 7. Go to Settings. Tap Menu, Settings and Privacy, Settings, then open Account Center. Step 8. Request data. Tap your information, download your information, select Messages Only, and continue. Step 9. Create file. Tap Create File to request your data. Wait until Facebook prepares your download. Step 10. Download and check download and extract the file once ready. Open it to view your deleted message history. And that's it. Now you know how to recover messenger messages step by step. Even if chats are deleted, you can still access them through your data. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart, practical tech tutorials every day.